Even if you push yourself to exercise 7 days a week and consume 100 grams of protein daily, you may still struggle to grow muscle if your diet lacks collagen-rich foods. Protein alone isn't the full solution, especially as you age. Health experts often emphasize that the #1 rule for building muscle is eating enough protein and staying consistent at the gym. But that's only part of the picture. The truth is, the foundation of strong, functional muscles after 60 isn't just protein. It's collagen. Here's why this matters. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, making up around 30% of total protein and forming the structural framework for muscles, tendons, ligaments, and connective tissues. Without enough collagen, your muscle fibers weaken, joints become stiff, and recovery slows dramatically. This accelerates sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength that affects nearly 1 in 3 adults over 60. But here's the shocking part that many seniors don't realize. Even if you take collagen supplements, you may still not see results. That's because most supplements lack gelatin-like compounds that exist naturally in food-based collagen sources. Gelatin plays a unique role by supporting the cross-linking of collagen fibers, which directly strengthens the scaffolding that holds your muscles together. Another common mistake is relying heavily on beef bone broth. While it has benefits, a single bowl contains far less collagen than your body truly needs. For seniors aiming to build or preserve muscle, experts recommend at least 15 grams of collagen per day. Yet most bone broths provide only 2 to 4 grams per serving. That shortfall means you could be drinking broth daily without ever reaching the therapeutic threshold. That's why, in this video, I'll reveal 2 powerful liquid collagen sources that deliver up to 8 times more collagen than bone broth. I'll start with the second best source, because it's easier to find and incorporate into your diet, and then reveal the absolute best one that most people completely overlook. I'll also share the 3 specific foods you should never combine with collagen if you want to beat sarcopenia, avoid wasting your efforts, and truly rebuild muscle strength after 60. But before we dive into all that, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. We're here to help you live healthier, feel better, and age vibrantly. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a wellness tip that could change your life. And tell us in the comments, where are you watching from? We love hearing from viewers around the world. So let's begin. Number 1. Fish skin broth. Fish skin broth is one of the most collagen-dense foods you can consume. Just 1 cup can contain 12 to 15 grams of collagen, nearly double what most beef or chicken bone broths provide. What makes it even more remarkable is that marine collagen peptides are absorbed about 1.5 times more efficiently than land-based collagen sources. This makes it particularly effective for older adults, whose digestive systems may not process nutrients as efficiently as before. But collagen isn't the only advantage here. Fish skin broth is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and selenium, 2 nutrients with powerful anti-inflammatory and muscle-supporting effects. Omega-3s enhance protein synthesis, meaning your body uses the protein you eat more effectively to build muscle. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, protecting your muscle tissues from oxidative stress, which increases with age. Together, they not only preserve your muscles, but also improve recovery after exercise. Science backs this up. In a clinical study conducted in Japan, 120 seniors with sarcopenia were followed for 6 months. Those who consumed fish skin broth daily gained an average of 3.2 pounds of lean muscle mass, compared to just 0.8 pounds in the control group. Researchers concluded that marine collagen functioned as a natural therapy for preventing muscle loss in older adults. The wisdom of using fish skin broth isn't new. It dates back over 2,000 years. Traditional Chinese medicine used it to treat what they called muscle withering disease. While they lack today's scientific terminology, their practical observations align with modern research. Ocean-derived collagen restores strength and vitality in aging bodies. Making fish skin broth at home is straightforward. Simmer fish skins, salmon and cod are excellent choices, in water for 2 to 3 hours. Add ginger and a pinch of sea salt. When cooled, the broth should form a light gel, which is your sign that it's collagen-rich. How to use it in daily meals. For breakfast, mix it into scrambled eggs. At lunch, use it as a base for vegetable soup with lean chicken. At dinner, sip a warm cup alongside grilled salmon and sweet potatoes. These combinations not only taste delicious, but also maximize nutrient synergy, boosting your muscle-building potential. However, while fish skin broth is powerful, it isn't enough on its own. To truly see transformation, especially for seniors battling muscle loss, you need to pair it with another overlooked collagen source, one that works synergistically with marine collagen to accelerate results. That's what I'll reveal next. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also explain the 3 foods you must avoid pairing with collagen if you want to stop sarcopenia in its tracks. Number 2, chicken feet broth. Chicken feet broth is one of the most collagen-dense foods you can add to your diet, delivering an incredible 15 to 18 grams of collagen per cup. That's nearly 70% of the total protein content, far more concentrated than most other collagen sources. What makes it particularly powerful is the type of collagen it provides. Chicken feet are rich in type 1 and type 2 collagen, the 2 forms most essential for rebuilding and strengthening muscle fibers, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. For seniors, this means not only stronger muscles but also healthier, more flexible joints that can withstand exercise and daily movement with less pain. But here's where it gets even more remarkable. Chicken feet broth naturally contains high amounts of glucosamine and chondroitin, compounds you might recognize from joint supplement bottles at the pharmacy. These nutrients are critical for joint lubrication, cartilage repair, and reducing inflammation. Instead of spending money on expensive pills, chicken feet broth provides these benefits in their natural, bioavailable form, directly from food. This synergy between collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin creates a powerful anti-inflammatory effect that speeds up recovery after workouts and allows seniors to build muscle more efficiently. Science confirms these effects. In a groundbreaking study conducted in South Korea, researchers followed 85 seniors for 4 months. Those who consumed chicken feet broth 3 times per week showed a 28% increase in leg strength and a 45% reduction in muscle soreness compared to those who did not. The researchers concluded that the unique collagen profile of chicken feet broth made it superior to standard protein supplements for muscle preservation and functional strength. The wisdom of using chicken feet for health isn't new. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, has prescribed chicken feet soup for over 3,000 years, especially for strengthening bones, restoring vitality, and combating age-related weakness. Ancient healers understood that the feet held concentrated collagen, ligaments, and tendons, making them nature's perfect remedy for muscle and bone support. Modern science has only recently begun to validate what was already known in traditional practices. How to prepare chicken feet broth. Start by thoroughly cleaning the feet, trimming nails, and blanching them in hot water to remove impurities. Then simmer them for 4 to 6 hours with onions, garlic, ginger, and herbs of your choice. The long, slow cooking process breaks down the collagen-rich tissues into gelatin, creating a broth that should thicken or even gel once cooled. That gelatin is your proof that the broth is loaded with collagen. How to use chicken feet broth in meals. Breakfast. Warm a cup of chicken feet broth and whisk in 2 beaten eggs for a protein-rich custard. The gentle heat preserves the collagen while giving you a nourishing start to the day. Lunch. Use it as the base for a hearty vegetable soup with carrots, celery, mushrooms, and spinach. This creates a nutrient-dense meal packed with antioxidants, fiber, and collagen. Dinner. Sip a steaming mug of seasoned chicken feet broth about 30 minutes before your main course. Doing this primes your digestive system, enhances nutrient absorption, and ensures your body has collagen available during overnight recovery when most muscle repair takes place. When you combine chicken feet broth with fish skin broth, you unlock a dual collagen strategy. Fish collagen, marine collagen, is absorbed quickly and efficiently, giving your body immediate building blocks for muscle repair. Chicken collagen, on the other hand, provides long-lasting structural support and joint protection. Together, they form a complete amino acid profile that your body cannot get from any single source. It's like having a fast-acting repair team, fish collagen, and a long-term construction crew, chicken collagen, working in harmony to rebuild your muscles from the inside out. However, even the most collagen-rich broths can become ineffective, or even harmful, if paired with the wrong foods. Certain common foods can neutralize collagen's benefits, block amino acid absorption, or trigger toxic byproducts that damage your muscles and joints. Most seniors have no idea that they may be sabotaging their own muscle-building efforts by combining collagen broths with the wrong side dishes. After carefully reviewing nutritional studies, clinical cases, and consulting with experts in muscle preservation, I've identified the 3 most dangerous food combinations seniors must avoid. And the first one on the list is shockingly common: white rice. White rice, often paired with soups and broths, has a glycemic index of 73, which is higher than table sugar. This rapid blood sugar spike interferes with your body's ability to absorb and utilize collagen proteins for muscle repair. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed 200 diabetic seniors for 8 weeks. Those who consumed high glycemic foods like white rice alongside collagen-rich meals showed 40% lower muscle protein synthesis compared to those who avoided white rice. Elevated blood glucose literally blocks amino acid uptake into muscle cells, stopping collagen from doing its job. And it gets worse. When white rice interacts with the high mineral content of collagen broths, it can form advanced glycation end products, AGEs. Toxic compounds that accumulate in muscle tissue, trigger inflammation, and actually accelerate muscle breakdown. Instead of supporting your muscles, this combination can poison the very tissues you're trying to protect. Never eat white rice within 2 hours of consuming collagen-rich foods. If you want your muscles to thrive and preserve your independence as you age, you must not undermine your efforts with this hidden mistake. Mistake number 2 is pairing collagen-rich foods with alcohol, especially close to bedtime. This is a common but dangerous practice among seniors. Many enjoy a glass of wine with dinner or a small nightcap before sleep, thinking it relaxes the body or even provides heart benefits. However, when alcohol is combined with collagen-rich broths or supplements, it actually destroys your muscle-building potential. Even moderate amounts, just a single glass of wine, can reduce muscle protein synthesis by up to 37%. This is because alcohol interferes with your body's ability to process and utilize amino acids, the essential building blocks of collagen. Instead of helping you rebuild and repair tissues, the collagen you consumed essentially turns into wasted calories. The timing makes it worse. Your body does most of its muscle repair and collagen absorption during deep sleep. When alcohol is present in your system, it disrupts sleep architecture and suppresses mTOR signaling, the key biological pathway responsible for activating muscle growth. A well-known clinical study that tracked 150 seniors over 12 weeks showed that those who consumed alcohol within 4 hours of collagen intake experienced significantly less muscle gain than those who stayed alcohol-free. And here's the hidden danger. When alcohol interacts with the high amino acid content of collagen, it can create aldehydes, toxic compounds that accumulate in muscle tissue. These aldehydes promote oxidative stress, damage muscle cells, and accelerate inflammation. In other words, while you're drinking collagen to build strength, alcohol is actively poisoning your muscles. If you're serious about muscle repair and strength, avoid alcohol for at least 24 hours after consuming collagen. Think of it as a recovery window. Your body needs that time to fully process the amino acids and maximize their benefits. Now let's move to the third food you should never pair with collagen: bacon. At first glance, bacon seems like the perfect match for a hearty collagen-rich broth. Its smoky, savory flavor feels like comfort food. But beneath that taste lies one of the worst possible combinations for seniors looking to build muscle and protect their health. Just a single strip of bacon contains over 400 milligrams of sodium, plus nitrates, phosphates, and chemical preservatives. When you combine these with the mineral-rich nature of collagen broths, you create dangerously high sodium levels in your body. The result: excess water retention, systemic inflammation, and extra stress on your cardiovascular system. A 2020 Harvard Medical School study followed 180 seniors with sarcopenia for 10 weeks. Those who consumed processed meats like bacon alongside their protein meals showed 45% higher inflammatory markers and 30% lower muscle growth compared to those who stuck with clean proteins. The researchers confirmed that the nitrates in bacon block amino acid absorption, which means your collagen doesn't even get fully utilized. There's another hidden danger. Bacon's preservatives react with collagen's amino acids during digestion to form nitrosamines, compounds strongly linked to muscle degeneration and even certain cancers. You're essentially creating toxins in your gut every time you pair bacon with collagen-rich foods. If you want true results, skip the bacon and go for clean proteins, grilled chicken, turkey, or fish with herbs. These options complement collagen's benefits instead of sabotaging them. Have you unknowingly combined collagen with alcohol or bacon? Which of these surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. It helps this message reach more seniors who need it. And if you want to keep your muscles strong and your joints pain-free, check out these 2 videos I picked just for you. They're packed with practical tips you can use right away. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe now so you'll be the first to know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.